Unpack and prepare the lighting accessories. Install floor lamps with freely adjustable beam angles. Insert the wire into the clip. Fixed clamp. Secure the fixture with waterproof tape. Optional version. Power it on. The installed effect is shown. Use the remote to turn the lights on and off. Adjust brightness and control flashing effects. Alternatively, scan the QR code to download the app. Enable Bluetooth to connect. Then use your phone to control power. Adjust brightness and manage lighting effects. The video concludes with more application scenarios.